Ever wondered why you always seem to run out of money before the month ends? It's a common predicament, but there's a simple solution: budgeting. You see, budgeting isn't merely a tedious number-crunching exercise, it's an empowering tool that puts you in control of your finances. With a well-planned budget, you can pinpoint exactly where your hard-earned money is going, and more importantly, where it should be going. Imagine having a plan for every penny, knowing with certainty that your financial goals are within reach. Think about how liberating it would be to sidestep the nasty surprise of debt. That's the magic of budgeting. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about making your work for you, not the other way around. Budgeting is not about restricting your spending, but about understanding where your money goes and making conscious decisions. It's not about deprivation, it's about liberation. Welcome to the world of smart money management. So how can you start budgeting? It's easier than you think. Talk about budgeting techniques. You know, the strategies you use to control your money, to ensure you're not spending more than you're earning, and to help you save for the future. There are several popular methods out there, and we'll discuss a few of them. Up is the 50-30-20 rule. This is a straightforward and highly effective technique. Here's how it works. You divide your after-tax income into 3 categories. 50% is allocated for necessities like rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% goes to wants, the things you enjoy but could live without, like dining out or a new pair of shoes. And the remaining 20%? That goes straight into your savings, be it for an emergency fund, retirement, or a future purchase. The next technique is the envelope method. This is a more hands-on approach, quite literally. You divide your cash into different envelopes, each labeled with a specific expense like groceries, entertainment, or transportation. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, that's it for the month. This method gives you a tangible sense of where your money is going and forces you to be mindful of your spending. Finally, we have zero-based budgeting. This method is all about giving every dollar a job, meaning you assign each dollar of your income to a category, be it expenses, savings, or debt repayment. The goal is to have your income minus your outgo equal 0 at the end of the month. This doesn't mean you spend all your money, but rather that you're allocating all of it. Of these methods has its strengths and may suit different people and situations. The 50-30-20 rule is great for simplicity. The envelope method helps with overspending, and zero-based budgeting ensures every dollar is accounted for. Remember, the best budgeting technique is the one that works for you. So experiment with these methods, find what fits your lifestyle, and start taking control of your financial future. Now that you've started budgeting, let's talk about emergency funds and tracking expenses. Picture this: an unexpected medical bill, a sudden car repair, a leak in the roof. Life is unpredictable, and these surprise expenses can throw a wrench in your budget. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's your financial safety net, and it's absolutely crucial. Now, let's switch gears to tracking expenses. Ever wonder where your money goes each month? Tracking expenses can provide clarity. It's like a financial flashlight, illuminating your spending habits and helping you identify areas where you could cut back. Consider using apps or spreadsheets to keep tabs on your outgoings. They're like your personal financial assistants, always there to give you the lowdown on your spending. Remember, an emergency fund and tracking expenses aren't just good ideas, they're essential. They're the pillars that uphold your budget, and they'll help you navigate any financial storm with confidence. An emergency fund and tracking expenses are essential parts of a successful budget. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've discussed the importance of budgeting, how it's not just about restricting what you spend, but about making your money work for you. It's about understanding where your money is going and aligning your spending habits with your financial goals. We've delved into various budgeting techniques, from the envelope method to the zero-based budgeting, showing how different methods work for different people. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. It's about finding what works best for your lifestyle and financial goals. We've also emphasized the significance of emergency funds and tracking expenses. An emergency fund is a financial safety net, while tracking expenses ensures you're not spending more than you're earning. Now let's turn these learnings into action. Start today, even if it's small. It's about progress, not perfection. Budgeting might seem daunting at first, but with practice, it can become a powerful tool to achieve your financial goals. Remember to like and subscribe for new content every week.